But if you look at what flaunting is in the definition, it's to parade without shame, right? So it's owning who you are and not being afraid to put it out there for everyone to see. So there's a company in Canada that makes cough syrup, right? What's the flaw of cough syrup?
Makes you sleepy, perhaps.
Makes you sleepy, but how about when you have to actually take it?
Yeah, the taste. Yeah.
It tastes awful.
Yeah.
Right? And this company, Buckley's, it had been around for about 90 years. Buckley's might be the worst thing that you've ever tasted before. It's god awful. It's horrible. And so they were kind of were really struggling, and they said, we need to refigure out how to be relevant again. And so maybe the strategy, what most cough syrup companies do is we flavor it. Maybe we reconstitute it so it doesn't taste as bad. But this company, I love this. They said, look, let's actually own the flaw and do more of it. So they did an entire campaign where they did a blind taste test with consumers, and they compared Buckley's to things like trash bag leakage, sweaty gym socks, public restroom puddle, and every time people picked the other thing, they didn't pick Buckley's. And the campaign became, people swear by it and at it. and they said, look, it's not for everyone. And by doing so, within a year, they went from just 2% of the market, they went up to 11% of the market, a 550% increase in sales by owning who they were and not being afraid to put it out there for everyone.